Sunday evening, that quiet moment when the weekend chaos finally slows down. After 2 days of binging and indulging, I always crave a reset. Something simple, something that feels like balance. For me, Sundays are about slowing down. No rush, no rules, just gentle cooking, soft music, and food that feels good from the inside out. So, tonight I am making my kind of comfort a light but hearty dinner chicken corn soup. Warm, soothing, and filled with that homely goodness that reminds me to take care of myself. And with it, a soft, tender chicken shawarma, perfectly spiced, satisfying, but still light enough to end the weekend on a calm note. As I stir the soup and wrap the shawarma, I realize these small rituals are what keep me grounded. It's not just about eating clean, it's about starting the week with intention, nourishing the body after a long week of saying yes to everything else. Because sometimes resetting doesn't mean cutting things out, it means coming back to what truly makes you feel good. So here's to small, slow Sundays, to comfort food that heals and nourishes, and to setting the tone for a peaceful, wholesome week ahead. Because the best kind of reset always starts at home.